Hey guys, the following video is brought to you by Heacock Classic Insurance. Make sure to stick around towards the end for some more information.
Hi, my name is Steve Silva. We're here in downtown beautiful Carmel on Ocean Avenue for just finishing up the Concours on the Avenue event. It was my first time attending, so I was really excited to be here with my '74 ducktail Carrera. I found it in Sacramento being sold by a mechanic for his client, so for a customer, so it never really hit the open market. So I was fortunate to get a really low basis back in November of 2010, and went and saw it and checked it out. It was guards red originally, and wasn't crazy about getting a guards red car, but I discovered at the time of seeing it for the first time that it was actually an original lime green Carrera, so I got really excited after that. Oh, I loved it from day one. I've always liked quirky colors. I've had other early 911s and Porsches, 914-6, which is a rare color too. So I totally gravitate to the original rare colors. And so that really piqued my interest. And as we went through the process, it turns out as colors come and go and trending and being fads over time, it was original lime green, then it was black, yellow, and red. So all those years protected the body, so it made a great restoration candidate, taking them down to bare metal. I think when it was just getting done, after an 18-month process to go through the restoration and finally get it out on the open road, it was just like, and to see what my vision, what it could be, and see it really come to fruition was just awesome. It's just awesome. Oh, they love the color, because you rarely, like today, this is the only lime green car here. They only offered it in '74 to '77. It's a little different than Viper and Conda green, the colors that came before it. It's hard to describe. You have to see it live to really appreciate it, the rarity of it, and they love the contrasting cork interior. And this car came from the factory's original sports seats as well, which makes it really unique too. Oh my God, it's the racing heritage, the connection to the road. There's a driving a Porsche is like nothing else. All my Porsches, I've had radios. I've never turned them on. I love hearing the sweet sound of those motors right behind you, and the handling, and it's a visceral feeling with a Porsche. You feel the road, you feel the elements around you. It engulfs you, and that's what makes them so special. You got to be patient. If you really want the car that is going to be difficult to find, you just have to be patient and ask. Go to events like these, talk to people. They know people. Talk to mechanics. Maybe they have a customer that wants to sell a car. But you can't. You've got to stick to your guns and just ride it out. And eventually, if you're patient, it'll be rewarded. Something will come along. Thanks for taking the time to hearing about my car and the love and passion I have for this early '74 Carrera. It's been just a great car. Like I said, I finished the restoration in 2012 and loved every minute ever since. And I do get out and drive it. You got to get out and drive. They love to be driven. Thank you.
All right, go to www.heacockclassic.com and you can get your own quote today to see how much you can save. Thanks for watching.